Happy October. I can't believe that fall is kind of past us now. Caitlin and I are really excited to show you some of our new things that we've got ready here in October. And yeah, I'm just gonna kind of get started with our little Caboodle car carriers. Now we've got two different sizes in the pattern, and there's 4 of our different applique trucks that are included in the pattern. You say, what's a Caboodle car carrier? Well, this is every little child's dream, as it's got not only their little cars, and I said child, not just boy, because I know girls like to play with cars, but this is a little carrier. These we refer to as the garage stalls. They carry matchbox size cars. And this is like something, think about taking this maybe someplace where, you know, you just need to have a little activity for your child. So whether it be, you know, if you go to a restaurant or church or whatever, there's 2 little roads that are right here so they can run their cars right on the road. Yep. And then we also have it a little larger version. This one, of course, has the car carrier, the little garage stalls, but this one has a longer road. And so just a little bit bigger. My grandsons have already, they've got one of these and they've already been playing with these and they love them. Now, I used a fusible foam on these projects. It's a double-sided fusible foam. We have this included in this on the website in this package, or we have it by the yard, so you can get it either way. It's a great product. It's so easy to use. They make quick little projects, and I want you to know that that's what these little car carriers are made out of, the double-sided fusible foam. So take a look at that. And then you can see how nicely they roll right up. There's a little line here that we stitch so that it makes it a little bit easier for the flap to go over the garage stalls, and then we Velcro it shut. Got a little handle on the top, and they're ready to just carry this wherever they go. So, Caboodle car carriers. The next thing I want to show you, it too is out of Papa's old truck, and this is a little backpack, and it's just a simple little box bottom bag. You can see the inside of it there. It'll carry lots and lots of cars and trucks. This one has the farm truck.
Market truck.
Market truck. I get them both mixed up. I'm sorry, Caitlin. But then on the back of this, what I've done is I've taken the panel that comes with Papa's old truck.
Oh, could you show me the back of the actual backpack?
Absolutely.
How was that attached?
This was attached with these little Velcro tabs.
So,
yep. So if you roll it up, just lay it right up against, we'll just go like this, and it just Velcros right onto the bag. So when then you put this right on the little one's back, and the little carrier goes right with it, the little road play mat, sorry. So anyway, we'll open this back up. Now again, I've used the double-sided fusible foam for both of these. And this one is just simply the panel. So, I mean, it couldn't be any easier. You open it up and it's got the road for them to run their car on. Now what I did on this and what I instruct in the pattern is, you know, you fuse your panel with your backing, and then you stitch through all 3 layers to create the fold lines. Then I just stitched around the little pennant on the outside of it, put the binding on, flipped it to the front, and I just blanket stitched it on. So it's very durable and just very simple. So all of the trucks that you see on the panel are also the same as what we've done as far as for our appliques. And so this one, I think this one will probably include all the different appliques, right, Kate? Yep. So we're gonna roll this back up and yeah, set these back here. So simple little road that you can make. Now, the next thing I want to show you are the little mug mats. And actually, we're doing a few of these. This one is continuing our truck theme. It's a little truck with a Christmas tree on the back with a little, or in the back, excuse me, with snow on the edges. Now, this will come as a pre-cut. So this is all of your pieces, all laser cut for you. Or of course, you can cut your own. But we do have kits available of this as well as the pattern then. And this is called the Christmas truck mug rug. And these fabrics are actually from a collection Caitlin and I did called Glad Tidings. And so if you get the kit, these are the ones that you're gonna get in the kit. And now I wanna give you a little sneak peek of what Caitlin and I are doing with some gnomes. And this is a little mug mat that I just finished up. It's got an adorable little scalloped edge. We've got several of them we're doing, and this is just the first one. So we'll have some different projects. All of them will be shown on the little mug mats, but then I'm also gonna show you how to do some on some different projects. So be watching for more gnomes. We just got our quilts back from Jenny, our fabulous Jenny. She's the gal that pieces all my quilts for us. And this is Rescued and Loved. This is the quilt. Now these are free projects. So if you go on our website and go under the free project section, or you can go on the Henry Glass website, either one, you can get these patterns, download them, and they are free to you. So this one uses the book panel. And so you can see the fun little triangles that we've done, the 4 patch squares. Keep in mind that the book panels can be used with our little single project sheet to make placemats. The quilts are fairly large, make probably twin size. And of course, keep in mind, if you want them bigger, you can always just add on the border stripe. You see it pretty well there, Kate?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, I'm just gonna put this one aside. And then this is actually using the panel. And there's 2 different versions of this. There's the one with the border stripe, which is this one. And then there's one without the border stripe. So it's considerably smaller. So just adding the border stripe probably adds another, I would say 16 inches all the way around. Jenny said these went together very, very well. They're not quilted yet. We're sending them to the quilter next week.
Cute little hearts in the corners.
Yep. We have sold the daylights out of this collection already, so we're pretty excited about that. And then I'll just hold up this one, Kate. Like I said, there's 2 versions of it, with the border stripe and without, and here's the one without. So keep in mind, these fabrics are all available now. Rescued and Loved. The last part of our video, I'm actually gonna do a little endorsement of a friend of mine. Her name is Diane. She has a business called Graphic Impressions, and she is affectionately known in the quilt industry as the Toy Lady. And you know, we kind of got to thinking, since we're all doing and trying to survive in this pandemic together, and we're trying to help each other out, I told Diane, send me some of your newest products. I'll show them and share them with our customers, and then we're gonna share a link to Diane's video, which will be a complete explanation of all of her newest products here. I'm just going to kind of give you a little bit of a brief introduction of them. And then we'll also share her website. So if you are interested, she has a ton of stuff. And let me tell you, at quilt shows and at market, she's the place where there's tons of people with their little baskets filling them up of all of her goodies. And we just thought it'd be fun to share these, and you know, great little stocking stuffers or things that you might want to send to a quilting friend or a non-quilting friend. She has lots and lots of stuff, so check out her website. But to get started here, just a few of her newer things. This is a little needle threader. It's got a light on it. It's got a USB port, so it's rechargeable. And then she also puts a little Velcro strip on it, so you can Velcro it around your finger. And as well as the needle threader, she has the seam ripper as well. Now keep in mind, everybody, that Diane will show these in detail on her little video that we're going to share with you. This is a little kickstand light, and she talks about the wattage of this light. I don't understand it completely, but it's good. It's very, very bright. I know sometimes my lighting is bad or my eyes are bad, and so an extra light put on something is always good. Now these, I guarantee you, are the tiniest little itty bitty scissors you will ever see. And so you can actually just throw those in your purse if you've got an extra thread or something you need to cut. These are pretty amazing. She's got a little scissor keeper. And like I say, these are just a few of the products. This is a magnet, and I watched her take this little magnet and pick up a whole slew of pins that she dropped. This is actually little sanitized wipes. This is a packet, and it has a little deal that you bring them through, and just kind of a fun little, if you want little wipes to wipe down a surface. And this fun little thing, it's crazy. It's got 4 different bottles in it. They're all 3 ounces. So you put them in here. Like if you want to travel, you could use this. I thought at first it looked like a Playtex bottle, but I'm old school. Anyway, then the top goes on. Well, I'm not gonna get the top on just because my fingers aren't working right. But then what you do is you turn it, and then it will squirt out whatever it is you need. So this is really kind of a cool little device. And like I say, Diane will explain those a whole lot better to you. Definitely check out her video, check out her website. We wanted to say, first and foremost, shop local, shop your local quilt shops, your online quilt shops. We sell to all of them, and we want to make sure that we know that you know that we support all of them. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a shout out. We just want to tell you how much we have appreciated all that you've done to help support us. Times are different now. We are not traveling, and we won't be traveling for quite some time, but keep watching for our virtual shows when we do them. Kate and I did some Facebook Live, which was very effective. We might be doing a little bit more of that. And, you know, just these monthly newsletters are how we keep going. We'll keep sending stuff out to you. We've got a lot new coming, so I know you're going to be excited by what we have. So have a great day. Just thank you again. And until next time, keep sewing.